Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to introduce you one of serum. This is Dr. Dennis Gross Advanced Retinol Texture Renewal Serum. This is the serum. You can use this AM and PM. This is a gentle daily texture renewal serum. This we can use morning and evening. This serum is good for any type of skin. You can use for dry skin, oily skin, or normal skin. This is also good for anti-aging. This anti-aging serum improve your skin. It's blemish, fine line, and it helps to cover pores. This serum help to improve uneven texture, pores, and serum especially works for wrinkles. This retinol has a vitamin A that supports collagen production to reverse visible signs and improve the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. This advanced retinol serum is gentle, effective to visibly refine skin's bumpy texture. It also helps signs of aging and target clogged pores and breakouts. I usually use this at night time before I go to bed. I use this, so I take 5 to 7 drop and massage on my face. Especially I focus on wrinkles, and also I put on my face and I massage properly. I like this serum. While I'm using this, I'm very positive and I have confidence on this serum that this serum is working on my face, and I like this serum also. So if you like this serum, you can order. I'll put link below so you can check it out. If you like this video, please don't forget to press a like button for algorithm. If you use this and how you feel after you use, please let me know on the comments box. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye.